Miss Donna May. Hi, Donna May.
Yes, hello partner. What a pleasure afternoon, everyone. Today is our most awaited event for tonight. Of course, grabe partners, nakaka-excite. And first of all, we would like to congratulate our first batch. This is our first batch of awardees. Our brand ambassadors, di ba? Congratulations to our brand ambassadors, Philippines and Beauty. Kamusta ka naman, partner?
Partner, actually, hindi ko naramdaman ang gutom dahil busog na busog pa lang ako with all our awardees who come from different parts of the nation. We are from Luzon, Visayas, and Mindanao.
Grabe, thank you so much for your effort. Pero syempre, hindi lang awardees natin. Of course, huwag din natin kalimutan pasalamatan ng ating mga parents. So, di ba, without their support, syempre, hindi natin makikita yung mga naggagandahan at nagagabuhang mga models dito.
Definitely right, Donna May. Kitang-kita natin sa stage. Ang mga stage parents natin dyan. Kaway-kaway. Sa mga proud parents who still support their children and kids in their dreams. Because stepping in the stage, actually, Donna May, is pangarap na kanilang natutupad na this day. Ikaw ba, Donna May, as a host, as a model, yeah. How's it going ba bilang isang model?
Yes, as a model, syempre alam ko yung kaba. Kaya months of efforts and training nila for this day, di ba?
Totoo, Donna May. And even I'm not a model like everyone else is here in the room, but I'm thankful that I was welcomed and accommodated by Philippine fashion trends. Kaya palapakan natin ang mga bumubuo from the organizer, from our directors, Sir Miller and Sir Layson, maraming salamat po for bringing and organizing such event that would bring not just actually glamour and aesthetic, but also representing the Filipino culture.
Yes, of course. So tonight, we will all be witnessing our designers for their designs to showcase on this stage. And syempre, because unfortunately, I wasn't able to reach our first batch of performers. Pero syempre, meron pa tayong next batch of performers mamaya. So, let's just sit back and relax and hintayin natin.
Alright, so Philippine Fashion Trends Universe, are you ready to witness our models? Come on!
Mukhang wala sa energy. O sige, syempre, can I get a loud yes from our audience para naman pang-warm up for our next segment, di ba, partner?
Come on, hands please!
Yes, are you guys ready for Philippine Fashion Trends 2025?
Alright, at Donna May, na pala, bago natin sila palabasin, mas masabatin pa natin sila lalo because there will be first awards. So, again, it will be flashed on the screen, our awardees. So before witnessing again our models strutting in the runway with their fashion, we'll be giving out the awards for our second batch.
Oh wow, second batch already. Okay, let's start, partner. For our next batch of awardees, congratulations to our Best in Live Sound Production Award. Let us all welcome on stage